I've been testing out the new Jurlique Activating Water Essence Plus and the Jurlique Purely Age-Defying Firming Face Oil. And I have been doing this for just over a week now, and it is supposed to be brightening, firming, sort of a skincare to replace your usual moisturiser, if you will. I'll show you how it works. You put 8 drops of the essence water into the palm of your hand. I usually just pour generously. And 2 drops of the face oil. Warm the product in the palm of your hands and pat into the skin. The product is so easily absorbed into the skin, leaving your face feeling smooth, nourished, and revitalised. You can put this on the décolletage and also on the neck. For now, I'm just showing you on my bare, cleansed skin. And the scent is like a herbally beautiful scent. So as I said, I've been using this for just over a week. It was sent to me from Home Tester Club, I believe. Thank you so much to them for sending it out. This is not a sponsored video. It is just a testing of a product, and I am thoroughly enjoying it morning and night.